Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing and review look at, let's zoom out here and focus, protective skins for Apple AirPods. So you get 3 pieces in here: silicone protective case, a net strap, and a carabiner. It's the XTREME cables. That's the company who makes it, XTREMEcables.com. Yeah, as you can see right here. And what was it? It's this side here. So yeah, it says scratch proof. Easy charge, net strap, and carabiner, not for climbing. So this is the black one. There's like I believe 3 colors: a black, a blue, and like a minty color or something like that, or maybe it was a white. I don't know. I picked out the black one. I believe they were like $10, 10 or $12, all the way at Walmart. So nothing else is in the box. It's all right here. So here is the case, a little carabiner. So they're actually showing that you want to put it down like this. Okay. Because that's how the box is showing it. And then we have our net strap here. So let me figure out how to undo this. Okay, so this is one little piece here that you want to pull out. And that's what's going to kind of free it up a bit to then unravel all this. Now the net strap is made out of like a silicone material. So same as the case. But definitely a lot more thinner and stretchier than the case. The case is a lot fitter. I mean, you got a pretty good amount of cordage right here. So obviously I'm going to try to see if it works with my AirPod not Oz, my little fake pods. Here, I don't even remember what brand it was. These were, but these are definitely not, name brand AirPods. So yeah, as you can see, the case would not even fit in here. This case is just a little bit too big. If it was a little bit smaller, as you can see here, it's kind of like for a mini case. I guess maybe AirPods 1. Actually, I'm not even sure what AirPods is saying. Just say AirPods, so it could be the new AirPods 2. It could be the new AirPods 3 in the works. I don't know, but yeah, and obviously right down here is where you would charge your AirPod case and, the headphone little pieces. Not going to work with this one because mine charges in the back, not the bottom. So wheel one would charge on the bottom, wheel one would be a lot smaller and wheel tinier. This is almost like the size of a Tic Tac case. Maybe not, a standard size Tic Tacs, but I thought I have it somewhere around here. Nope, this one's a little bit too big. I don't know, I'm trying to pull out some examples here. Yeah, like this is honestly way too big. I don't have a standard Tic Tac case, but like these little hand sanitizers from Bath and Body Works, it kind of looks like it would fit in there. Actually, oh my god! Oh my god, I'm not kidding. It fits right up in there. I mean, this... I mean, obviously you can't really close it with the back piece on here, but yeah, you have... Wow, that just makes you really think of how big actual AirPods are in the case. I mean, if this little hand sanitizer is this big, I mean, that's supposed to be big enough to stuff in 2 of these side by side. I guess it will work, but it'll be kind of small. And then look, these are like touching the bottom right here. And then you're going to have the top quills on that, along with the top of this. I mean, like one of these could barely fit in there. So I mean, yikes. That is the scary part, that an AirPod's like this big. Because I mean, look, it fits completely right in there, flush. I mean, there's no gaps, there's nothing. It's like right up in there. And here's what mine is. Mine is like, honestly, you could definitely tell. Big old jumbo right here. But I mean, yeah, it works. It does its job. So let's see if we could get these in. And so it looks like the long piece goes down here, and you want to put it in this way. If I could get these in. Yeah, you could get them in, but I don't want to push them any further than this. I mean, I could push them up to about there, and that's where I'm going to feel fine and comfortable with. I mean, I might actually push them up a little bit more. But I mean, this is going to be ridiculous and hard, you know. Try and pull off this rubber every single time that you got to put them in the case to then, you know, charge these things up. Yeah. You know what I mean? But I mean, if you have an AirPod that would fit in this little case, and you don't mind pulling this on and off, which is really, really tight. I mean, let me just put this on while it's still on now to see. Yeah, I mean, it feels comfortable. I wish that they would have like some kind of other strap that would go down here, so that you could really put it on a better way. Because, you know, if these things fall off backwards, they're still going to fall off. But more than likely, they're going to fall forward, which happens to me a lot of times. I had them in my ear, you know, and then they just go like that. So I guess the only thing that I could really use from here is just, you know, this little net strap. But it's going to be a pain. I got to dig this out, did these out, push them on there, pulled them off. But I mean, yeah, for $10, if you got an AirPod that's going to fit, hey, go with it. If not, at least you could use the net strap. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, that has been the unboxing review of the XTREME protective SKiNZ for AirPod 3-piece kit. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.